Hi, it's Chris Davies again. Today I'm going to talk to you about non-specific mechanical lower back pain. So this is pain that you will typically get first thing in the morning when you wake up, but it eases off after a couple of minutes of walking around, or when you're sitting at a desk for too long when you're at work, you start to get those aches and pains in the lower back. I see this a lot in clinic, and as well as treatment, I always give people strengthening exercises to do as well. People often find that doing the strengthening exercises makes a big difference to the low back aches and pains. You do need to do them regularly to make a difference. You need to be doing them 5 or 6 times a week, and it takes many weeks of doing it to really make a difference. So do be consistent with it and persistent with it, because it does take time to make a difference to strengthen your back and stabilize your back. Okay, so let's get started. So the exercises we're going to do are bridge, side plank, plank, an active lumbar extension, and a passive lumbar extension, which people usually find is really relieving and quite a nice exercise to do. So the first exercise is the bridge. So take yourself into this position, lying nice and straight. You want to be in what you call pelvic neutral. So if you rock your pelvis this way and then that way, I hope you can see that, you find the middle position between those two extremes and hold it there. From here, you raise your hips up. Body should be in line with your leg or the upper leg. Hold this position. Get a good workout through the lower back and in the glutes. And this is really going to help start strengthen, stabilize the lower back. Hold it for 30 seconds and try and do 5 repetitions of it. The next exercise is a side plank. Again, hold this position for 30 seconds and try and do 5 repetitions. If you find that this is too hard, drop down onto the knee like this, so your contact point is the knees rather than the foot. This makes it easier, but you still get a workout through the side of the body here. You're going to have to do this on both sides, of course, and what you might notice is that one side is weaker than the other. If one side is weaker, do that side more to build up that strength and balance through the sides of your body there. The next exercise is plank. Again, you want to hold this for 30 seconds and do 5 repetitions of it. If you find that this is too difficult, drop down onto the knee so the contact point is the knee on the ground rather than the foot. Or the feet, I should say. Hold this position for about 30 seconds and do 5 repetitions of it. Next exercise is an active extension exercise. Bring your arms up like this and raise the head and the shoulders and hold. And down. Back up and back down. Try to do about 20 repetitions of these. If that's too many, just drop it down to 10, find your benchmark and build upon it. So the last exercise is a passive extension. So bring yourself up onto your elbows like this and just hold this position for about a minute. Most people find this really relaxing and relieving. So try to aim for around 30 seconds, 5 repetitions of each exercise, or 20 extension exercises, and build from there. You'll find your own benchmark with the exercises, but the key thing is to do them regularly, do them consistently, and as you strengthen, increase the repetitions or the time that you're holding the exercise to continue to build that strength and stability through your lower back. So have a go at these exercises and leave some comments below. Let me know how you get on with them. Remember, you've got to do them regularly because it takes time to build up the strength. If you have any other issues like headaches, tension headaches, back pain, sciatica, check out some of these other videos and see if they help. If you know anybody else that might benefit from them, please pass it on to them.